Okay. Roll in. Right, due to the easy access here, I've decided to take out these pieces and replace them with something a little bit more sturdy, since the opening is there. And in order to avoid doing too much banging, I'm going to cut the nails off. Loosen that one up. Might have been put in. Cut this piece off. So we're into the original woodwork there, and it looks not too bad. So that piece is going to be a bit loose now. I'll have to pull out that insulation there or not. There we go, that's got rid of all the old nails, so I can just now put this piece of wood in there. It'll look a bit neater if nothing else. Bad. We can help with this interior wall. Nice colour. Kind of. Very nice. Purpley grey. Just go those. Let's have to go kind of deep enough really to. That's not fixing and spinning round and round. So I'll do it from here as well. A bit too much damage in there. Take it from here too then. Right there. Looking good. outside wall because it doesn't have anything to nail it to. I'll make something for that too. Okay, so I just set up a simple board in the middle there. Or lower down, it's called the Spiegelschlag. It's something to have to put the nails into, and the boards, because I've jacked up the house and pushed the wall back in, the wall boards sit on top of the floorboards, which they're supposed to. So they'll just be cut off to the right height. That one has to go in as it was. There we go. Bit wobbly camera work, but there you go, you get the idea. So now I just screw those on at the top there. And that little bit of rot down the bottom there, I'll just leave that. It's not going to cause any problems when the windows need to be done. There we go. That'll have to be repainted. Someone's done a repair there previously, and well, in a way, that's the nature of this kind of building. That's ready for the window now. Well, it's certainly a lot more sturdy than it was, and these outside boards that are on here are going to have a structural significance. So the boards that we're going to put on will be vertical. Should be nice and strong wall anyway, even though it's not 100% perfect. Not perfectly straight, but it's much better. So this wall is now ready to have the rest of that red panel taken off, the panel that was painted with used motor oil, which led to the premature deterioration of the wall. And since these holes underneath and the parts that were rotted under the windows have been repaired, we're ready for the next stage. And in the next video there'll be some more detail about the history of the construction of the building and how it changed through its life. Subscribing to my channel, clicking the like button, sharing the videos and making a comment are all things that push my films up in the Google rankings, the YouTube rankings, and help spread them to other YouTube users. So I invite you to participate in that way and help support the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.